Welcome to the module on creativity and innovation. Drawing on expertise and insight from some of the world's greatest thinkers, artists, business leaders and spiritual guides, this 1-hour tutorial will demystify the creative process and explore its relevance to thriving in business and leading a fulfilling life. Creativity is fast becoming the most desirable leadership trait for coping in a complex global economy and adapting to rapid technological, political and environmental changes. I'm Katrina Devereux and I'm here to guide you through the core elements of this module. We will explore what creativity is and how to tap into your personal creativity. We will look at the relevance of creativity to leadership, the difference between creativity and innovation, and how to manage creative teams and innovation processes. You can watch each session at your own pace and use the journaling prompts to reflect and capture your learning. Resources, additional reading, and links to the full videos featured in this module can be found in the final section. Ready to dive in? Let's get started.